my name is Kelsey and I am a CSUMB service learner with Monterey County Free Libraries, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an origami bunny just like this one. So to start off, all you're going to need is just a piece of paper. If you have origami paper, that would work best, but if you just have regular paper like this one, I'll show you how to make it into a square so that way we can get started. Okay, so to start off, we're going to want to make our paper into a square. So what we're gonna do is just grab one corner and fold this line flat against the vertical line. And just make sure that the corner tries to crease right at the point, and then you can just line up the side with the rest of it. Just like that, and then we're just gonna snip off this little extra piece here. And then there you go, you're left with your perfect square. Now that we have our perfect square, what you're going to want to do is just fold it in half and crease it along that line. Just make sure that the corners line up on both sides, and then we're going to open it back up. Now we're going to fold both sides to the center. So we're going to take this side and fold it to the center line, just like this. And make sure to crease it very well. And then we're going to do the same thing with this side. We have it folded like this, both sides folded to the middle. Now we're gonna fold all four corners to the center. So we're gonna take this corner and fold it over here. So we're gonna do it just like this. And again, try to get the folds as crisp as possible. And we're gonna do it for all four of the sides. Like that. So now that we have this shape, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this corner and fold it to the middle line here. So we're basically going to take this, fold it to the middle, just like that. And then same thing with the other side. And we're just gonna fold it to the middle just like that. Just like this, and we can open it all back up. So now that we have all of the creases, what we're gonna do is we're gonna kind of open up each of the corners like this, and then fold them back down like this. So you get this triangle shape, and we're gonna do that to all four sides. And again, just making sure that you're pushing all the creases down, just like that. Flip over our paper, and we're gonna fold this corner to the middle. And how we have these on the back, we're gonna want them to come out of the side. So we're gonna fold this back, just like that, to the middle, and have these flaps out on the side. Then we're gonna repeat it on the other side. So we're gonna fold it over, let the flaps come out the side, and open it up like this. So now that we've just folded over these sides, we're gonna flip it over, and we're gonna try to just make little creases here in the middle to help us out, but we don't want to crease a line all the way across the middle. So we're gonna fold this in half, line up the points, and we're just gonna kind of crease the corners here just to help give us a guide for the next step. So again, we're just creasing the corners, but not creasing the whole way across. We're just making a guide for us for our next step. There we go, and now we have 2 little creases there. So now that we have this shape and we have a little crease here, we're gonna fold an imaginary line right here from this crease to this point. So we're gonna fold along a line right here. So we're gonna just fold this corner up. Again, making the crease from this corner to this point here. Folding in half. And then once you have this side done, we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So again, from this corner here to this point. Okay, just like that. So now that we have this shape, we're gonna flip it over, and you can see kind of like the bunny's head starting to form. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold the head back just like this, just as far as it can go. So it's connected here, so we just want to tip it up and just fold it right where it's still connected, and just crease it as much as you can, just like that. And now you can kind of see more of the bunny shape like that. And then what we're gonna do, since we're left with this, we're gonna fold the bunny along this line right in half, just like that. So now you're left with this. Now for this next step, we can see that the bunny's head is now like tilted right back. So what we're gonna do is we can pinch the ears and kind of tilt it up to whichever angle that you want it to be at. So I'm gonna put it about right there. And then just crease it again right here, so that the bunny's head is more tilted up, just like that. And then we're gonna try to give it a flat nose. So what we're gonna do is just pinch the tip of the nose and fold it over just a little bit to give it a little bit of a crease. Just like that, and crease it. And then we're gonna open it up and tuck it inside. Just like that. And then you can pinch it again. And that creates the better shape for the nose of the bunny. So now that we have the feet done, we see that this is kind of pretty pointy right here. So what we can do is just take both sides and just kind of pinch them inside, just like that. And do the same for the other side. Just fold it in a little bit to get the shape that you want, like that. So now it's a little bit more round. Now for the last and final step, we already shaped everything pretty much, but the last step is just going to be the ears. So how you can shape the ears is I usually just pinch the face right here. That way the face stays pretty symmetrical, and then the ears, I just kind of stick my finger there and kind of open them up a little bit, just like that. And then I'll do the same for the other side. So open it up and kind of press it open like that, so that the ears are open, and just like that. Okay, and that is the final product. I hope you guys liked the video, and I hope you guys like your little bunnies. Thank you for watching.